Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Toyota Prado GXL, stock reference number 5446. This shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 5th month 2015. It has a 1KD 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 1KD 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, radiator grille, left hand fog light, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag without a tyre, left tail light, tidy rear bumper bar, aftermarket tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, Hayman Reese type, hard spare wheel cover, complete, tailgate appears to have no damage, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right hand doors and guard appear to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, auto type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, sat nav display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and mirror type, left sun visor, right sun visor, and average 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.